In this video, we are going to solve a problem using integration by part formula. The problem is evaluate integral x e to the negative x dx. The formula for integration by part is integral of v u dv equals uv minus integral of v du, or integral of u of x v prime of x dx equals u of x v of x minus integral of v of x u prime of x dx. So the first step consists of determining what is u of x and what is v prime of x. There are a few choices for those two, and the most suitable here will be u of x equals x, while v prime of x is e to the negative x. Why? Because if you look at the integral to the right, we are going to integrate v of x u prime of x. So it is good to get a very simplified form from what we have right now. So if you take the derivative of x, you get 1, and the integral of e to the negative x, we know what it is. So v prime of x equals e to the negative x. And that leads us to what? V of x is integral of e to the negative x dx. And what is that going? What is that? Is it? We know that integral of e to the mx dx is 1 over m e to the x mx plus constant. So in this case, this is e to the negative x times 1 over negative 1 plus constant. In other words, negative e to the negative x plus constant. And at this point, because we still have an integral on the right hand side of the formula, we do not need the c. So I'm going to remove the c and say v of x so v of x equals negative e to the negative x. And u of x is the remaining factor in the integrand, which is, in this case, x. So u prime of x is 1. Now, going back to the formula, we can say that the integral of x e to the negative x dx is u of x, which is x, v of x, which is negative e to the negative x, minus the integral of v of x, that means negative e to the negative x, times the derivative of u of x, which is 1 times dx. So simplifying, we obtain negative x e to the negative x plus integral of e to the negative x dx. And what is the integral of e to the negative x dx? We saw that is negative e to the negative x. So this gives us negative x e to the negative x plus negative e to the negative x. And then at this point, we need the constant term. So finally, the integral of x e to the negative x dx is negative e to the negative x factor to 1 plus x plus constant. If we factor out e to the negative x, we obtain that. And that's conclude the evaluation of the given integral.